afternoon, friends. Already in the last lecture, we have seen the information regarding limits, fits, as well as tolerances. We have seen the three types of fits. First, clearance fit. Second, interference fit. Third, transition fit. Also, we have seen few of the things where a shaft was getting engaged onto the hole. Therefore, maximum metal limit of the shaft, minimum metal limit of the shaft, and maximum metal condition of the hole and minimum conditions of the hole were meeting things. So onto that we have seen three different types of fits, namely clearance, interference and transition. Moving to the next point, in the diagram, a fit is indicated by the basic size common to both components, followed by symbol corresponding to each component, the hole being quoted first. Now, as you can see in the diagram, hole and shaft basis system, when merges together in the second point, example is taken from shaft basis system, whereas here on the left side, on the right side, examples have been taken from hole basis system. The basic size has been denoted in the diagram. The hole and shaft basis system is gradually on the increasing side, where the zero line separates the shaft and hole system. Next. Now, this is the representation of tolerance system, where 4.350 is the topmost tolerance that can be allotted in a hole and shaft basis system, and here 350 is the least tolerance zone that can be given onto hole basis system. Now, the holes have been enveloped in the surfaces. This is the basic size shaft, that is the enveloping surfaces, and the selection of lateral freezes one limit of hole or shaft, that is, it is how much away from its basic size. So it has been given by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and up to it comes Z, where the next is ZA, Z suffix small a, Z suffix small b, and Z suffix small c. Now, the later symbol are represented as basic size is having 45, E8 or E7. Now, one can have different possible combinations. For example, 45H6G7, 45H8R6, and 45E5P7, where ES denotes upper deviation and EI denotes lower deviation. Capital H is the lower deviation of hole, that is equivalent to 0, and small h is upper deviation of shaft, that is 0. Next, representation of tolerance, that is number of grade, that we are going to see, that is what is IT1, IT2, IT6, etc. Tolerance grade defines range of dimensions, that is it can go from maximum limit towards minimum limit. Dimensional variation, it is also called as. There are manufacturing constraints on tolerance grade chosen. That means either we have to use a rough method to finish the component, or we have to go on a very smoother surface or smoother process of finishing. Tolerance grade that are defined in three columns. That means dependent on number of applications, the tolerance grade has been defined. For example, IT1 and IT0 are the two tolerance grade which gives manufacturing process required super finishing, such as lapping, diamond boring, etc. And it is used in the manufacturing of gauges. For example, plug gauge, ring gauge, snap gauge, O-snap gauge, etc. Machine required is a special type, that is super finishing. Likewise, IT6 is used in grinding, IT7 in precision turning, IT8 in boring and rimming, IT9 in boring operations, IT10 milling slotting planning, IT11 drilling rough turning, IT12 metal forming, IT15 die casting, that is it is the hardest material to machine, therefore it is IT15 that the highest amount of tolerance level has to be given. And next is IT16, where sand casting that are prepared in a regular casting process, that consists of die casting machine, hammer machine, etc. Next, now this is the combined table which defines fundamental tolerances of grade 1, 0 and grade 1 to 16, that is IT1, IT0 and IT1 to IT16. In the corner table, diameter steps in mm have been given, which represents in a column, and in the horizontal direction, values of tolerance in microns have been given. So likewise, we can select tolerance grade for an industrial manufacturing. Let us take an example of diameter having more than 250 but less than 350. We can select over 250 to an INC 350, and for tolerance grade of suppose 12, we can have 520 micron as the tolerance limit. Likewise, we can select horizontal vertical combination. The only condition matter is up to 1 mm grades 14 to 16 are not provided. Next, again a range is given in a tolerance grade. Table is for 18 to 40 and values are given in the microns. You can see nominal sizes on the right corner from 1 to 3, 3 to 6, likewise up to 400 to 500. Up to that the word gives meaning of including, over means excluding. Please have a note. On the table size H7, H8, H9 or up to the tolerance limit of shafts have been given. Now using this table, industry can define what tolerance range for the shaft as well as for the hole can be given, so that hole can be having a shaft in a proper fit required according to either clearance for close fit, interference where a small possibility of plus minus is given, and transition where shaft will be bigger than hole. Next, same table has been given in a smaller format. Next, yes. Now this is the total representation of tolerances, where capital H denotes lower deviation of hole, and hole is always on a zero side. Shaft is enveloping surfaces, and these are the basic sizes given over there, and that has been plotted into the table. Only thing we have to remember over here is basic size is the standard size which ranges from shaft as well as hole. It is the mediator line for every shaft and hole combination, or you can call it as a basic size is the zeroth line for any fit to be obtained. Next, this is representation of different fits. As already I have stated that clearance, interference on transition fit can be represented or they can be obtained. Now they have been manipulated over in this diagram. You can see together lateral and grade are both fitting components decide quality of the fit. Now what the statements mean, according to fit required, if clearance fit has to be obtained, then the requirement of shaft is that it should easily pass onto the hole. Condition of tolerance on this clearance fit is of minimum time. Interference, that it means the shaft and hole are in a close fit, and transition, the shaft should be fitted onto the hole such that the bonding will be more closer. Next, you can see in the diagram that hole and shaft are having a combination. Diagram. H7 indicates tolerance grade 7, that means 21 micron variation is available or you can permit, and capital H means upper deviation of the zeroth line. Next, P6 is the tolerance grade 6, that means 13 micron variation, where small p indicates upper deviation is for 22 microns. Likewise, we are going to continue the same process in our next lecture related to tolerance zone. Thank you.